Now, we've all made porridge before, but this one is a reinvention. I'm combining instant oats with steel-cut oats. Steel-cut oats, they are hulled oat kernels and they've been cut on a steel blade, so they're going to take a little longer to cook. I like them because they've got a slightly chewy flavour. So the whole point of this is to make a two-textured porridge. It's going to be delicious, and I'm going to serve it in a very special way with lots and lots of berries. So I've got some water on the boil. I like milk. You can use any type of nut milk. I'm using some cow's milk because I like it really creamy. We'll add our steel-cut oats, just rain that in. And I am going to add the instant oats straight away too, because I want them to get really creamy and thicken the whole thing up. Also, when I'm cooking my oats, I always add a pinch of salt. So at this stage, there's not too much flavour and you don't want to be adding your sugar now. That's the worst thing you can do because it's going to stick to the bottom. So we want to cook this for about 15 minutes, stirring regularly until it thickens up and those steel-cut oats are cooked. In the meantime, I'm going to start preparing my gorgeous berries. So I'm going to cut up some strawberries, break up some raspberries, and this is a real treat. I've got some blackberries here. Look how plump and juicy they are. Right, our porridge has thickened up, so now we can add some flavouring. So a little sugar, I like brown sugar. Could also use some honey, pinch of cinnamon, and we just want to incorporate that until it melts, and it takes one moment. Now this is my little tasty tip here. So we're going to transfer this to a jug just to make it easier to pour in our porridge. So look how smooth that is, and you can see the two textures there. I just love mixing those oats together. I've sprayed a tin, so this is just a muffin tin, and we're going to portion out our porridge. Now you may be going, what are you doing, Justine? But this is my little trick. I'm going to fill each of these with the porridge and make individual flavoured porridge. So any day of the week you can enjoy a different flavoured porridge. It's as simple as taking it out of the freezer and popping it in the microwave. So let's start filling this with our different flavours. Some banana, you just pop the banana in. My favourite, of course, is the berries. So a combination of strawberry, and you can even mix the berries up. Some blackberries. Then if you really want to go all out, I grab a little nut butter, peanut butter or any type. I've got almond butter here too. Just want to pop a little spoonful in the centre of the porridge, tuck it in there, and then add some more berries to the top of it. So when that melts in the microwave, you not only have that beautiful flavour of berries, but you've got a little surprise with that nut butter. I love this idea. The kids are going to love it. The whole family's going to love this speedy, nutritious breakfast.